Good morning, children, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School at the time of lockdown. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, today we will read Lesson 3, The Glimpses of the Past. In the previous video, I had explained this. Now this is the second video of the same lesson, Glimpses of the Past. In the previous video, I had explained how the British extended their areas due to superior weapons in which they supported the other kings. In this way, how the Indians became slaves of the British. Religion leaders purged the areas like untouchability and child marriage. This divided the Indians, and it was a great demerit for the Indians. Now the Indians had lost their self-respect and they worked hard. The merchants of Britain, the British merchant, wanted to earn quick profit, and for that they imported their goods to India. They also told that the goods which would be manufactured in England would have no import tax, no import duty when brought to India. The British policy ruined the expert artisan of India. Now they were jobless. Their goods had no demand in the market. Raja Ram Mohan Rao, 1772 to 1833. Raja Ram Mohan Rao was a learned man from Bengal. He understood what was the demerit in India, so he tried to improve that. Raja Ram Mohan Rao told his wife once that when cows are of different colors but they give milk white only. For this, he told that there should be no discrimination, no difference between the caste of the people. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge. For this, he told that knowledge should be practical and scientific. He started newspaper in Hindi, but the Britishers stopped that. He crossed the sea and went to England to see what made the British powerful. There he told them that we accept you as our ruler, but you should also accept us as our subject. For this, a ruler should always take care of their subjects. Operations. The British continued to oppress Indians. In 1918, they had passed Regulation 3, under which the Indian could be jailed without any trial. If they even suspected Indians, they could be jailed. And all the same post, if the British officer was appointed, his salary would be more than the Indian salary. And the British officers could do side business also, but the Indians could not be allowed, and they had very little salary. Due to Britishers, the Indian industries began to be in loss and they began to die. Dissatisfaction. Education in India was in Persian or in Sanskrit because this was only our language. But the Britishers, they told that the education should be given in English so that they could appoint Indians on a very less salary because it was difficult for them to understand Hindi. The Britishers cared less for the needs of the Indians. Now Indians began to think that our king had become a puppet in the hands of the Britishers. They have no self-respect. the sparse. The British imposed heavy taxes on the peasants, which was impossible for them to pay, due to which the Santals lost their job in Bengal. So they revolted. Revolt 1857. As a result, there was a revolt. There was a violence in Meerut due to dissatisfaction. Long live the Emperor Bahadur Shah. They started supporting the Indian king. Many landlords lost their land, so they all revolted. They told that the white men should go back to their own country. Revolutions were organized by the leaders like Begum Hasrat, Maulvi Abdullah Khan of Firozabad, etc. Allahabad became the major centers of the armed forces. Nana Sahab was the leader of the revolt. Tatya Tope, Azimullah Khan, and many others fought bravely. 80 years old Kunwar Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his vest. He died saying, Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. The patriots started revolution and fought in North India. That's all, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Read this lesson carefully.